Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this video will give you a clear and practical understanding how Singleton works and when you should use it. So whether you are preparing for interview or looking to write cleaner, more efficient code. So for that we have added code in the .NET interview questions pack. Also you can see here in the tutorialstrand.com you can see here this is the interview pack. If you visit our tutorialstrand.com site, so here you can clearly see .NET interview question answer pack. So I have included this singleton design pattern code also inside the PDF files, so you can also can see free samples, and you can also buy our package. So I have included like thousands of questions and answers in this pack. So this is the best package for for preparing interview questions. So you can download interview question pack from here. So now we will start a demo here for singleton design pattern. So first of all, what is the singleton design pattern? Here we will see uh, like uh, so this is now the singleton design pattern. That means a class has only one instance and provide global point of access to the instance. So in this picture clearly you can see here this is the singleton class. This is the one instance of that class. So that means a multiple request of the class, but we are getting a single copy of instance. So this is the singleton design pattern. So mainly ensure that a class has only one instance and provide a global point of access to the instance. So clearly you understand singleton. Singleton, that is the class, only one object of that class we can create. That means multiple request or clients, they can use that single instance. So this is when use singleton design pattern. What is the advantage of the singleton pattern? Reduce memory overhead. So since one instance is created, so that means it save memory. So you can also read these points. These are the important points when to use singleton pattern. Problem like logging system without singleton. So what should be the inconsistent logging resource containing? You can also uh, diving in details here. So these points are there. So like here we have also created one example for logging system with singleton I have created. So you can also go through that. I have included in the interview pack also that but now here we can see like one thing. Like suppose at the same time, that means we are creating two object of the class. So for that we use log mechanism. So that means we create that means object, and we create a one instance of that. So we can check, that means if instance exist, so that means only one object it will create, otherwise it will move to the next step. So this is used for lock mechanism. So now come to the one like here is the why we use private constructor, static, lock mechanism, instance property. So you can also, now we will see a real world example like singleton pattern in government. So in government, like a government of a country, like in India you can see uh, like uh, Indian government, you can see this is fit for that singleton pattern. So that means only one official government in country. So it is a global point of access that identify the group of people in charge. like suppose we can, so government is the official government, it is a global point of access. So that means like citizens, agencies, that means they can request, they can send different requests from different like citizens, agencies according to on uh, requirement. So we will see here, like in this we have created a government class, that is the singleton class we have created. We have also implemented a lock mechanism here, you can see that. So now we have a private government, that means we cannot create object of that class, only we have defined it is static. So only one object we can create. Here we have implemented lock and we are checking instance only, if no instant found so it will create one object of that, so otherwise it deny. So now we have created one method like manage country. So that means manage country method inside the government class. So here I have created two class like citizen and agency. So citizens, that means request service and request policy change. So inside the citizen, that means we have created one method like request service, but actually we are now requesting for manage country both, like this is the method in the government class, this is the, this was the singleton class. So here we have created like instance manage country and request, we are that means requesting through the government class. So now we have created like object of citizen class and also agency class. Now with the different, like suppose if we calling request service, so that means we have inside that like we have manage country, we have that means included that. So that means like both citizen A and citizen B are using the same government instance. So if we check like government dot instance and government dot instance, so like both citizen A interacting with the same government instance. So you can also see the output clearly, like both, like this is the output, that means both citizen A citizen B are interacting with the same instance. So this is, that means like one class, this is the government and interacting like both citizen and agency classes. So only one object of the government class is created. So now thank you. So now thank you for uh, thank you for watching this video. So if you think it is helpful for you, so please subscribe this video. Thank you again.